Let's find a profitable Amazon product using Helium 10 simple filters. Step 1. Set your filters. In black box, choose Home and Kitchen under Product category. For price range, select $20.35. For product size, select Yes if you want it to fit into a shoebox. This helps lower shipping costs, or No if larger items are fine. For competition, select Easy, 0 to 200 reviews, so we focus on low review niches. Step 2. Search for ideas. Click Search and browse the results. Look for products that are lightweight, not seasonal, and have consistent monthly sales. Example, art to frames. Step 3. Check competitors. Click that listing, scroll down, and copy the ASIN. It starts with B0. Step 4. Get keywords. Open Cerebro, paste the ASIN, click Get Keywords, and sort by search volume. Focus on keywords with 1,000 plus searches per month. Example, 9x9 frame. Step 5. Expand your keyword list. Go to Magnet, type your main keyword, e.g., 9x9 frame, and click Get Keywords. In the search volume min box, type 500 to filter for keywords with at least 500 searches per month. Then set competing products less than or equal to 5,000 to find medium competition terms. Add the best keywords to your list. With just these 5 steps, you've gone from finding a low competition product idea to building a strong keyword list that can drive real traffic. In the next phase, you can use these keywords to optimize your listing, launch PPC ads, and track your rankings for steady growth. If you're ready to start, check the description for exclusive Helium 10 discount links, available for US, UK, Europe, and India sellers, and take your first step toward boosting your Amazon sales today.